On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram comments. So, hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram comments in less than 1 minute. So, first thing you have to do, guys, is open the settings page, go to the apps manager, go to the apps, and then go to Instagram app like this. Now, this is the app information page. Right here, you can manage all the app informations. All what you have to do is click on the storage and then click on clear cache and at the same time click on clear data. Go back, click on notifications, scroll like this until you find the comments, click on it, and then go to this allow notifications, turn it off and then on again, and do the same thing with this option off and on. Now go back to the app information page, click here on force stop, go back, and that's it. The problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.